It's just a normal time playing Minecraft. Wait. Oh my god, this is the rarest structure in the game. I'm gonna get these diamonds here. It's the rarest structure in the game. Hold on. Let me just get needed to get that so I could get past this. Anyways, I'm so lucky here. Like, this is the rarest structure in the game. It's the diamond structure. And just block off this water so I could get this. Wait, what in the world? Where did that water just come from? What in the world? I don't know why there's just random water coming down. I guess there is. Like, why did this diamond structure spawn with so many diamonds? Why is there just so many diamonds? I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy that there's so many diamonds here.